bambuziza ku kyemotoka lwaki oleta diversion. I was asked about a bulletproof car that was gifted to me by our supporters whose names we shall not mention. It is true, ladies and gentlemen, after surviving numerous assassination attempts, after bullets being fired at us, Ugandans here in Uganda, but most importantly those in the diaspora, gifted us with various items that would help us keep safe, including bulletproof vests and ballistic helmets. I wore some and gave others to the team. We thank them. The same people of Uganda moved a campaign to fundraise and buy a bulletproof car for their president. I did not expect it to come through that fast because man, it's expensive. But ultimately, I was there and I was informed that the car was bought, it was brought in, cleared, and I will inform you that I received that car. But again, I request that should not divert us. Yes, I love my life, but it's just as precious as the millions of lives that continue to perish. However, I welcome every effort by our friends to safeguard the life, to ensure that the life of their leader is safe. I thank you, but I know that we all can only be safe if there's justice for everybody. I cannot be safe when everybody else is not safe. While I appreciate and thank the fellow Ugandans for that amazing gift, I continue to tell you that the best gift that we can give to each other is to free this country so that we don't have to move in bulletproof cars. Kudamu ekibuuzo kimu mu Luzungu nga bwekiddamu ne mu Luganda obudde busobola okubangwira. Emotoka etayitamu masasi basebo ne banyabo nga bwe mujjukira oluvannyuma lw'okuwona ettemu eryali tutegekeddwako, oluvannyuma lw'okuwona amasasi bannayuganda baatuwa ebirabo mwali jaketi ezitayitamu masasi, mwali ebiseppeewo ebitayitamu masasi, n'enyambalako ezimu endala neziwa bannange ne bazikozesa, naye tebakomaawo ne bateesa n'okungulira emmotoka etayitamu masasi. Naye sikisuubira kujja mangu kubanga ya bbeeyi, naye tubeebaza bannayuganda olw'okwekuula ssente zaabwe ne batugulira emmotoka eyo era yatuuse. Naye njagala obategeeza ebintu ng'ebyo tebirina bajja ku mulamwa, kuba yes obulamu bwange mbwagala bwa muwendo, naye bwa muwendo ng'obulamu bwammwe abali wano n'abali eyo basebo ne banyama. Era wakati mu kubeebaza olw'akaweefube okuma obulamu bwange nga buli seefu, njagala obajjukiza nti tetusobola kubeera seefu, sisobola kubeera seefu okujjako nga ffenna tuli seefu. Bannaffe bangi bakyagenda mu maaso n'okuttibwa. So okujjawo ko nga tujjeewo omutemu omukulu ng'ate ye Mwami Museveni, tetugenda kubeera seefu basebo ne banyabo. So ebyensonga y'emmotoka etayitamu masasi n'emmeeri kwe yagidde n'ebirala ebifaanana bwekyo njagala okubajjukiza mikwano gyange mwenna nti omulimu ogusinga omulimu omukulu guli naffe bannayuganda, guli erimwe abantu aba bulijjo, mu abantu be bayita abantu ba wansi, yemmwe musinga obukulu mu kaweefube waffe ono. Enkyukakyuka yonna gye twagala ffe tugendo gyetuusaako nga bannayuganda, si muntu mulala. Abalala bo bajja kutusanga busanzi. Abaganda bagamba nannyini mufu awawunya, tweteeketeeke tukwatewo kubanga tugenda kwata. I was asked what are the options or what actions are we going to carry out moving forward. I want to remind you that, like we've been telling the people of Uganda, having withdrawn our case from the unjust Supreme Court of Uganda, we are putting all legal and all non-violent options on the table. All constitutional, all moral, and all non-violent actions on the table. I want to remind you, ladies and gentlemen, just like we have asserted numerously that we are non-violent, but again I want to remind you that in this day and era, non-violence is more powerful than violence. It is non-violence that has gotten rid of all the recent dictators, Museveni's friends, including Omar el-Bashir. And for those of you that are paying attention to world affairs, you can clearly see that it is non-violence that is going to avert the protruding dictatorship in Myanmar. So we are going to be non-violent, but we asserted that we are removing a dictator. Mu Luganda bambuuza nti tugenda kuzaako ki? Tuzenga tubagamba tipe plani yaffe eryemu yakujjako nakyemalira gwe bayita Museveni tetuukangako. Eyo plani erimu episodes nyingi, erimu season nyingi nnyo. Twatandika okudduka gy'emisinde, tetwajja kudduka kafubutuko, twajja kudduka maratoni. Kuba tumanyi obulamu buli ku ludda lwaffe, tuli bato okusinga abo abazeeyi abatunyigiriza, ate we tuli ebbanga ddene okusinga bo. Tuli bangi okusinga bo, ate tuli bamanyi okusinga bo, naye okusingira ddala tuli babuufu okusinga bo. So buli kikolwa kyonna ekitali mu kuyiwa musaayi, eky'obuntu bulamu, ekiri moro, kyonna tugenda kiteeka ku tebo. Era nga bwe mbategeezezza titugenda kuvaayo tegeze bannayuganda ekiddako oluvannyuma lw'okubagulira ddala amaaso ku mitendera gyonna. Nga bwe twagenda mu kulonda, bannayuganda ne bavaayo nga balabira ddala nti kati siteepu eno erina okuddako, ne siteepu erina okuddako mu mateeka ne tugigendako yekooti ensukkulumu, era nayo ne tukozesa guno mukisa okujaanika eri ensi yonna. Tugenda kubategeeza ekigenda okuddako. Oyagala kikutegeeze kati? Ayi, kikaffe. One of the journalists who I saw was kind of criticized by asking these questions. First of all, I want to remind you that we are tolerant people. We are people that listen to every question, and we will answer it as eloquently and as sincerely as we are able to. So the Chief Justice Owiny Dollo went rather personal, and in his submission, which in my opinion was a quarrel and an attack on my person. First of all, I want to inform you that we didn't lose any case. And much as you might make every effort to put the blame on our lawyers, I want to remind you that the same court operating on double standards rejected with us what it accepted with other petitioners. So that is clearly bias. That is lack of independence. He went ahead to say that we came to court with an intention of leaving the court. He has read from our attitude that we do not condone injustice and we don't accept it no matter who it is coming from, even when it is coming from the Chief Justice. So, we have every right. He was of course wrong to tell us to go for Plan B, because I expect him to be very well informed and know that the word Plan B has not come from my mouth or in the mouth of any member of the National Unity Platform. Ours is the Plan A and we have never changed it. That Plan B is coming from the mouth of Mr. Owinyidoro, not me. So he might as well want to help us answer the questions that have been asked all our comrades that have been abducted, taken into illegal detention, beaten. All the people that have been abducted, they ask them one question: what is your Plan B? We have not talked about that. They know who talked about that Plan B. First. And secondly, it is the Chief Justice that is talking about Plan B. We are asking them about Plan B. And here we have a Chief Justice mentioning Plan B. So, if you can add the dots, you can know where the injustice is coming from and where it is wrong. Kanchidem Luganda. Oba yachibuza ngeri ya kubuza muzungu ne bwa kama.